guys! Welcome back to another vlog and I'm so excited dahil na-approve tayo. Na-approve. Palakpakan naman dyan. Wala ba tayong mga kamay? Well, syempre, sino ba naman yung hindi matutuwa? Dahil legit po, yung nag-approve sa aking lending app. At yung pangalan ng lending app ay si Skyro. Oy! In this video, I'm going to share kung yung process. Kasi online ko to ginawa. Ma-approve kaya sa ganitong product ni Skyro? Kahit na hindi pa nakakapag-product loan. I-address natin yan sa video natin today. Keep watching. Hello everybody! Welcome back to another vlog. It's Ate Red here. At isa namang online lending app or product yung pag-uusapan natin. And because lending product yung pag-uusapan natin, I'm required to disclose that this video is not sponsored and it is based on my personal experience. Goal natin dito is being smart about using these lending platforms dahil malaking responsibilidad po sila. So as mentioned kanina, yung lending product and lending platform is Skyro. Skyro Credit. Hindi ako makapaniwala guys na ma-approve ka pala sa Skyro Credit kahit na hindi ka pa nakakapag-product loan sa kanya. I think that was simula ng 2024, nag-try ako mag-Skyro. Dinownload ko yung app. Pumunta-punta pa ako dun sa Ayala na appliance center. Di lang naman pala ako na-approve. Every time nakikita ko yung mga banners ni Skyro, sabi ko, parang may feeling kayo yung parang na-trauma ka na. Ayaw niyan sa akin. I saw the ads on Instagram. At sabi ko, hindi na ako ma-approve. Pero na-approve pala ako. Yun nga lang, medyo mahaba yung process. Pero bago ko i-reveal kung magkano yung naging credit limit ko sa Skyro Credit, pag-usapan na lang natin yung process. Pero wag niyo munang gawin to ha, kasi mahabang-habang kwentuhan to. Make sure to watch the whole video para mas prepared kayo. Kasi ako, nag-click lang ako. Feeling ko may mali ako sa pagkakabuti na lang na-approve ako guys. Okay, saglit lang. I'm wearing a pair of contact lenses na nabili ko sa EO Optical guys. Ayan eh. Inspired ako mag-film today. So, hindi ako tinamad mag-makeup ng konti. Kaya ito, yan. So, very comfortable, very affordable. Meron tayong product sticker kasi nabibili to sa Shopee. So, scroll lang ako sa Instagram tapos nakita ko yung Skyro Credit, not a credit card, and it's better. So, legit kaya to? Without giving it any thought, kinlik ko kaagad kasi mukhang legit, pero careful kayo ha. Skyro Credit. Tapos meron nang nakalagay 35,990 daw. And i-click mo yung apply now. And sabi niya 0 interest daw if paid within 45 days. And up to 100,000 pala yung pwede mong magiging credit limit dito. But depende yan kay system kung magkano yung ibibigay sa'yo. Sabi niya 40 seconds lang daw average approved time. Pero whole day ako naghintay guys, but it's worth it. I feel like it's worth it. 1% na cashback, which is good. Para rin siyang si Salmon, no? Every 100 spent earns 1 peso na cashback. Okay, I'm sure the guy there is familiar. So, mga features nito is pwede siyang gamitin sa groceries, convenience stores, fast food and restaurants, bills, payments, drugstores, and gas stations dahil scan to pay via QR po siya. So, I'm very much, I think most of us are already familiar with this. So, marami siyang pwedeng paggagamitan which makes it flexible. So, pwede mo naman siyang i-move below. And I was feeling skeptic kasi sabi ko baka ayaw ni Skyro sa akin. So, binaba ko na muna siya sa 5,000 para ma-manage natin yung expectations natin. Hindi naman tayo ma-broken hearted pagkatapos. Note, while I was doing this, nasa Instagram pa rin ako. Yung parang browser na lumalabas pag may kiniklik ka sa Instagram. So, humingi siya ng phone number. Pagkatapos magpadala po siya ng OTP. Yung OTP nang gagaling naman daw kay Skyro. And then, hihingi siya ng purpose for doing that. I don't think it really matters kung ano talaga ilalagay mo doon. And then, hihingi niya yung name on your ID. And doon ako, feeling ko, mukhang legit naman siguro to because based on my phone number, parang pre-filled na yung mga fields nun. Alam niya na si ganito yung nag-a-apply kasi lumabas mo yung pangalan ko. And then yung date of birth. Yung parang ano na yung mga information. So, you just need to go through it and make sure na walang mali. Or kung dapat i-update nyo na lang. And how do you want to be called? What made it long is because pa isa-isa kasi yung questionnaire, pa isa-isang page. A Filipino citizen, so 1 page, 1 question. And then place of birth, ano na, kasi may record na kasi ako kay Skyro app. Okay, so 2024, yung first time ko nag-try, binigay ko na yung lahat kong information. Ilang beses na talaga ako nag-provide ng details ko kay Skyro. Anyways, moving on. So, civil status, education, lahat na yan. Have you ever been abroad? I said yes. Where do you live right now? Siyempre, binigay ko yung aking current address. And permanent address is same as my present address. And what do you do for a living? And alam niya, ganito din kasi yung nasa Skyro app eh. So, sabi ko, mukhang legit nga. Business owner. And what is your business? Okay. Ganun din, kung ano yung nasa Skyro app, dun, yun na rin yung mga information. Humingi siya ng reference contact. Yung binigay ko sa kanya is my husband's details. Then I click continue and save info for next time. So, yun nga. Humingi siya ng second contact reference and confirm your national ID fills this number. So, binigay ko rin. And in 40 seconds, hindi pa yon. Yung ano pala, continue daw on the Skyro. So sabi ko, legit nga, kasi dinala niya ako dun sa Skyro app, which is already installed on my phone. And do you want to continue your application? And I said yes. And then checking your ID, boss. Wow, boss. And then lumabas yung ID number ko, which of course I had to confirm. And then pagkatapos noon, almost there, boss, be ready to answer your call in 30 minutes. Got it. So may tatawag pa. Yun, pasulyap-sulyap ako sa app every once in a while. Kasi sabi ko, bakit 30 minutes wala pa rin tumatawag? Baka reject na. Mga 4:30 sila ng hapon tumawag, guys. Ginawa ko yung application mga 12, papuntang SM. Akala ko na-reject ako kasi wala pa rin tumatawag, pero may tumawag pala nung 4:30. Tapos alam nyo ba na magte-text siya doon sa kung sino mang ginawa mong reference, magte-text po siya, magpapaalam doon sa ginawa mong reference, na ginawa mo silang reference, kaya magbigay kayo ng heads up para hindi naman sila magulat. It's not privacy violation dahil ikaw po yung naglagay ng mga pangalan nila doon. Please give them a heads up or mag-ask ng permission. Ang magandahan nito is mas mababa po yung interest niya sa kay Salmon Credit. Pareha sila ng style, pero unlike Salmon Credit which is 9%, Skyro Credit is only 7%. And the 7% will apply to whatever is outstanding after kung magmi-minimum ka. 0% interest siya if paid in full upon due date or within that 45 days na period, and anything, matcha-chargean ka lang niya ng 7% kung may natira na hindi siya nababayaran. Kasi meron siyang minimum para rin siyang si Salmon. Yung credit limit mo is 10,000 dahil 10% of that will be yun yung pwede mong i-minimum. So, may billing cycle siyang fina-follow ha, and please don't get confused. Bakit kasi sabi, ba't hindi ko ginamit? Pero bakit may interest ako? Baka kasi may natitira kang amount na outstanding nung dumating na yung bill mo. Kaya ka nagkakaroon ng interest. Just be sure to pay the full amount upon due date. If you want to take advantage of that 0% interest. 30 siya tumawag, and sabi niya, pakicheck na lang ng app. And mga around 5 o'clock, umupdate yung app at sabi niya, accept ko daw. Lumabas yung kanyang offer at meron siyang sign the agreement kasi hindi po siya automatic. Yung credit limit ko is 1,000. Oy, wag kayong OA dyan kasi kahit 1,000 yan, great things start from small beginning. Helpful na rin siya sa mga fast food, di ba? Kasi maganda naman talaga pag nagka-cashless because it is convenient, tapos may cashback. It's 0% interest if paid within 45 days. So, wag niyong i-underestimate yung 1,000 ha. I just don't think that it's really better than a credit card kasi kailangan mo kasi mag-open ng app. For me, yung pagkakaroon ng credit card and you have the card is at least is still more convenient. If you wala ka namang access sa credit card, at least you have Skyro Credit. And sabi niya, because it's revolving, or as long as you keep your account in good standing, hindi siya mawawala. So, hindi siya tulad ng Ola. Napaka-unpredictable kung hanggang when mo ma-access yung credit limit mo. You just need to accept the terms and conditions yung offer niya kasi hindi po automatic. Pa-OTP siya to digitally sign that agreement. Yun, meron akong 1,000 pesos na credit limit sa kanya. Wow. So that's it. I'm happy na na-approve ako sa kay Skyro Credit finally, guys. And at least pwede ka palang magkaroon ng Skyro Credit kahit na hindi ka pa nakapag-product loan sa kanya at hindi ka pa nakapag-cash loan. And I think with this, it opens doors for other Skyro products, which is bongga, no? I-update ko na lang kayo kung when ako magkakaroon ng increase or kung meron akong bagong ma-update sa inyo, especially with my first use. Let me know if meron kayong question na gusto nyo yung itanong the next time I see a Skyro agent. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you learned something and I'm just very happy and excited. I don't know if I missed anything. Well, that's all for today. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!